Hey, what's up guys? Brandon here. So here's how to build the perfect copywriting portfolio to present to a client or a potential client when you don't have a portfolio and you have nothing to show for it, no case studies, no proof, no results, nothing. Here's the perfect way to send the most perfect portfolio when you have no clue what you're doing and you're just getting started. So you land more clients. So it's very simple. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go to a client or potential client's website. This is the prospect. You're gonna go find their website. You're gonna go look at their copy. Let's just say you're an email copywriter. You're gonna sign up to their email list. You're gonna click that button on the top. You're gonna insert your email. You're gonna sign up. You're gonna go check out the first email they send. Hopefully they send a welcome email. If not, you might have to wait a day or two to get their first broadcast email, their one-off email. If you don't want to just wait around, go sign up to 15, 20, 50, 100 people's email lists. Go get out a bunch of email lists for potential clients. You're going to go there, you're going to look at their email, and here's the simple trick. This is how you do it. You're going to open up a Google Doc. You're going to go look at their email, and you're going to write down every single thing that they should be doing to fix that email to make the copy better. Do you want to know how you land clients in 2025? You just start doing the work that you would already do when you have clients. You just start doing stuff for people. Like, just pretend you already work for people and they're already your clients and just do the things you're already going to do. Because I'll tell you right now, when you have a client, you know what the things you're going to be doing are? You're going to be taking the copy they currently have and you're going to be making it better. You're going to optimize it. You're going to tweak it for better conversions. You're going to take their bad copy, you're going to improve it. You're going to take their current bad emails, you're going to start writing new ones that are better. So the best portfolio piece that you could send to somebody, start off with a couple of tips. Tell them, hey, your subject line says this, make it like this because it's going to get more opens. Hey, you didn't put a preview text in this email. If you put it in, you're going to get a higher open rate. It's like a second subject line. So here's your body copy. You did these huge chunks of text. This is really hard to read. People are going to bounce. They don't want to read this. Short sentences, short words, short paragraphs. Hey, you put 1,500 call to actions in your email. Nobody's gonna know what to click. Do one call to action. Hey, go check out my product. Hey, go check out our about page. Read more of our story. Hey, go check out this free resource. But don't tell them to do 1,500 things. So you're gonna go through and you're gonna just tell them what to do to improve their copy, step by step, 3 to 5 tips. Tell them why it matters, why they're gonna get more conversions. And then here's the portfolio piece. You're going to take their welcome email or whatever email you saw that you signed up for. You're going to tell them the tips. And then you're going to go into that same Google Doc where you wrote those tips down for what they should do to improve that email. And then you're going to write them a new one. And you say, hey, you know what? Rather than you implement these tips, I'm just going to actually write you a brand new welcome email with all these tips implemented. Here you go. Here's your brand new welcome email or your brand new one-off broadcast email, implementing all these tips I just said above. You do this, write them an audit, bunch of tips. Here's a little sneaky secret. Copy paste their current welcome email into that same Google Doc. So audit tips, 3 to 5 tips, copy paste their current welcome email in the middle, and then write the new email below, do a new one, boom, send it off. There you go. There's the perfect portfolio piece. Forget trying to gather 1,500 samples of all these different emails and piece of copy, landing page, blog post, email, ads in this niche and that niche, software and fitness and finance. Dude, prospects don't want to spend 20 minutes going through a portfolio filled with a dozen things that 90% of them aren't relevant to them anyways. That is a waste of their time. Just make things so stupidly simple that somebody can't say no. And you know what? Somebody who goes to a client and shows off 15, 20 pieces of copy in random samples and niches and specialties and all these things and says, here, check this out, versus you going, looking at their copy, writing these tips down, showing them their current welcome email, making them a brand new email, and sending them one piece of copy with focused tips for their business. There is no better portfolio piece you could possibly send to somebody. Because think about it. Everybody who's sending all these portfolios with all these different pieces of copy in it anyways, They could just be stealing these. I know stories of copywriters who people have just straight up stole their portfolio and send them off to people. How do they actually know that you wrote that copy? They don't. You want to know how someone's going to know you wrote the copy? Go write them a fresh piece of copy for their business. You want to know what the most perfect portfolio piece? Write a new piece of copy literally for the person's business that you're pitching them. Like what could be a more relevant portfolio piece than you going and approaching somebody and saying, hey, I looked at your stuff, looked at your copy, look at your welcome email. I wrote you a brand new one. You can't fake that. And that is the ultimate proof. You can't fake good copy when you wrote it for someone's business. It's the most relevant piece of copy. It's the most perfect piece of copy. It's the best kind of thing that you're going to get someone's attention with. And you know what? You're not going to convert everybody you send this to, but you send this to about 30, 40, 50 people, you're getting a client or two, guaranteed. As long as your copy skills are actually there. So go work on your copy skills first. Go make sure your copy skills are up to speed. If you can't find tips on how to improve someone's emails, guess what? You're not a good copywriter yet. And that's okay. Go back into the books, go get some courses, go get some coaching, become a better copywriter. You know you're starting to become a good copywriter when you can look at people's copy and within a few seconds be like, that headline needs to be improved here, that subject line needs to be improved there, that body copy has too much text here, where's the call to action? This is too confusing, they need more proof, they need more this, there's no urgency, there's no scarcity, XYZ. When you start seeing these things quickly, that's how you know you're getting better. So until then, hit the books, practice your copy, get in there. But if you're ready to go land clients, there you go. There's your perfect portfolio piece. That's how you're gonna land your first client. Probably in 30 to 50 of those outreaches, you send 1 or 2 a day, within the next month, you got a client. There you go.